Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain about UDP. UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol, which is a communication protocol used to send data on network. Unlike TCP, UDP is simpler and faster because it does not ensure the data is received correctly. Now, let us try to explore more about this UDP. UDP is faster because it skips the process of checking and confirming that each packet arrives correctly. UDP is faster than TCP. It is used where the speed of data transmission is more important than accuracy. UDP also does not guarantee that the data packets will receive in the same order they were sent. If they arrive out of the order, it's up to the application to handle it. Key features of UDP. UDP is connectionless, means that UDP does not establish a connection before sending the data. UDP just directly sends the data to the receiver without setting up any prior agreement or any handshake. UDP also has no acknowledgments or retransmission. Suppose if a data packet is sent over a network, UDP does not wait for the confirmation that the data packet has been received, or it does not retransmit the lost data. Suppose if a data packet is lost or corrupted, UDP won't notice and does not try to solve it. UDP sends data packets in the form of datagrams, and that checks its integrity upon arrival. UDP packets also has a header which contains the port number and checksum. The checksum checks for the data corruption. When UDP is used in situations where speed is essential and minor loss of data will not cause much problems, like online gaming, video streaming and audio streaming, voice calls and DNS query, etc. In online gaming, it's better to send data quickly and risk losing a few packets than to wait for the data to be retransmitted. In audio streaming and video streaming, a minor data loss won't disrupt the experience than the delay. Now let's talk about advantages and disadvantages of UDP. The advantages are UDP is fast, efficient, and ideal for real-time applications. It also allows multicast, broadcast, and it's lightweight. And the disadvantages of UDP are: it's less reliable, it has no flow control. How does UDP actually work? The sender packages the data into small chunks called datagrams and sends them to the receiver. There is no confirmation or waiting for the receiver readiness. UDP does not establish a connection between the sender and the receiver, which is why it's fast and less reliable. UDP does not perform error checking. If a packet is lost or damaged, it's simply ignored, and the application on the receiver's end may handle it. Now let's have a comparison between TCP and UDP. Based on reliability, UDP is less reliable and TCP is more reliable. Based on speed, UDP is faster and TCP is slower. Based on connection, UDP is connectionless and TCP is connection oriented. Based on error checking, UDP does not have any error checking, while TCP has error checking and also retransmits the lost data. Based on order guarantee, UDP has no order guarantee, while TCP guarantees the order delivery of the data. In summary, UDP is more faster and efficient than TCP because it does not spend time ensuring the data accuracy. It is used in the applications where speed is critical, like video gaming, streaming, and voice calls, where this minimal amount of data loss won't cause major issues. However, this sacrifices the accuracy. It is not used in the applications where 100% accuracy is needed, for example, web browsing and file sharing. And thank you.